The next thing you're going to have is a leatherette. So you're going to make yourself a bead sandwich. So this is your beads on the top. This is the bologna, and this is the bread. Beadwork, bologna, bread. That's your bead sandwich. So this is what you are going to need to get started. So you can put this aside. This is our last step. These are your beads. I give you lots of colors. We give you, each kit gets about 5 colors. You could choose to get creative. I want you to have the best experience doing this. By putting your personal medicine into your beadwork and thinking about your residential school survivors, I want this to be a positive experience for you. This will be the good felt that you use. You're going to get some gems. You're just going to get some plastic rhinestone chain and metal rhinestone chain. And this is the most important thing to get started. This is our findings. So this will have your needle and your thread. And that's what you're going to have to fish out first. So dump it on the table, it goes. So you're going to cut your thread and make it nice and flat. You're going to then try to thread your needle. The hardest part of this whole beading thing is to get this needle in. So if you can get through this step, you're already on your way. So we're going to thread this needle by taking the needle to the thread. And it should slide in just like that. But if it isn't that easy, don't worry. So after you get your needle threaded, you're going to want to crisscross 1, 2, 3. You're wrapping it around that needle. And you're going to pinch it with your thumb and your finger, holding it in place. And it should create a very nice knot for you.